Evaluate the integral 3x plus 5 by x square plus 4x plus 7. So here the integrand is 3x plus 5 by x square plus 4x plus 7. You see, this is the rational function. So integration of rational function p of x by q of x. But the q of x is not factorizable. We cannot factorize, so that we cannot apply partial fraction method. So I am going to apply perfect square method. But in the perfect square method, numerator having another different terms. So that we have to do something different. So in the partial fraction method, the integration of rational function, this type of problem is very important. Okay. So in the rational function, when the denominator is not factorable, so I am going to apply perfect square method, but I cannot apply perfect square method directly. So I am going to do some simplification. Okay. So the method to solve this type of integration is numerator value. Numerator value you have to write a into d by dx of denominator value plus denominator value plus b. So this is the procedure to solve this type of problem. Numerator value want to write a into d by dx of denominator plus b. After this, 3x plus 5 is equal to a into d by dx of the differential of this. What is the differential of this? 2x plus 4 plus b. Take equation number 1. I want to find out the values of a and b by equating the coefficient of x. So equating the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 3. What is the coefficient of x here? 2a. So from this, a value is 3 by 2. And then to find the b value, equating the constant term. Equating the constant terms. What is the constant term here? 5. Here the constant term is 4. 4 plus 4 into a, 4a plus b. So this is also constant term. Substitute a value here. So 5 is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 plus b. And cancel this. 5 minus 6 is equal to b, which implies that b is equal to minus 1. So I found a and b values. Substituting in 1. Then the numerator value becomes 1 implies that 3x plus 5 is equal to a value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2x plus 4 plus b value is minus 1. Now the numerator is changed in like this. Now substituting in the given integral. In the given integral. Okay, so what is the given integral now? The given integral is integral 3x plus 5 by x square plus 4x plus 7 into dx is equal to, in the given integral, I am going to substitute the numerator terms. Instead of numerator term, I am going to substitute this. So 3 by 2 into 2x plus 4 minus 1 divided by x square plus 4x plus 7 into dx. So next I want to simplify this. Okay, so now this integral I am going to separate into two parts. What is that? The first term divided by this minus second term divided by this. I am going to split into two integrals. So this is, take 3 by 2 outside, integral 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 7 into dx. This is the first part. See the first part, take 3 by 2 outside, this divided by this. The second part minus 1. So I don't want to take anything outside. So simply minus only, integral 1 into dx divided by x square plus 4x plus 7. Okay, after this there are two integrals. One integral you can take it as I1 minus second one take it as I2. This is equation number 2. So I want to find out I1 and I2 separately. Okay, so what is first one? I1. I1 is integral 2x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x plus 7 into dx. So I want to integrate this, but you see differential of denominator is numerator. So we have one formula, differential of denominator, integral f dash of x by f of x into dx is log of denominator. So this is one special formula. Differential of denominator is numerator, then we can write log of denominator. So by using this formula, this can be written as differential of denominator. What is the differential of denominator? 2x plus 4. So differential of denominator is numerator, so this can be written as log of denominator, x square plus 4x plus 7. So this is I1. So we found I1 value. Next I am going to find out I2. What is I2? This is I2. So I2 is equal to integral dx by x square plus 4x plus 7. Okay, this is I want to integrate. This is also rational function. Now the denominator is x square plus 4x plus 7. This is not a factorable, so that I am going to apply perfect square method. So by using perfect square method, I want to use the formula x square plus ax. What is the formula for x square plus ax? X plus a by 2 the whole square minus a square by 4. This is the formula. So I am going to use this formula here, so that denominator is x square plus 4x plus 7. This is x square plus ax. X plus a by 2 the whole square minus square of inner term, square of the term outside, square of 2 square is 4. So formula over, remaining term 7 plus 7. So finally this will be x plus 2 the whole square plus 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So now the denominator is converted into perfect square, substituting I2. So what is I2? I2 is integral dx by x square plus 4x plus 7. This is can be written as x plus 2 the whole square plus 3. But this 3 can be written as root 3 the whole square. So integral dx by x plus 2 the whole square plus root 3 the whole square. So what is the integral formula? The integral formula is integral dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So by using this formula, I am going to evaluate this integral. Integral dx by x square plus a square. So this is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So I found I1 and I2. So substituting in second equation. So what is the second equation? This is the second equation. Here I am going to substitute I1 value and I2 value. We will get the answer. So what is second equation? The given integral 3x plus 5 by x square plus 4x plus 7 into dx is equal to 3 by 2 I1 minus I2. Okay, so what is that? 3 by 2 into I1. What is I1? Log of x square plus 4x plus 7. So this is I1 value minus I2. What is I2? 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of x plus 2 by root 3. Finally plus integral constant. So this is the answer of the problem.